coming to the house of God is one angle of experiencing God's presence together. That is what it is. When we come together, there is definitely God's promise to be there, Anadi. So we need to experience. Prayer is given such a reverential experience that we are not just closing our eyes, but we are actually speaking to God. నీ పాద సన్నిధికి ఉపామయ యేసయ్య. I mean, coming to the feet of the presence of God. ప్రార్థింతును ఎడతెగక ప్రభు సన్నిధిలో చేరి. సో ప్రభు సన్నిధి పోయి ఉట్టి ప్రార్థన చేస్తుంటే ఇంకేం లాభం అండి? We all keep doing it, unable to sense the God's presence amongst us. The president of the country or prime minister of the country, their presence లో మనం ఇట్లాంటివన్నీ చేస్తామా? No, we won't. Prayer time లో full browsing, but also in a public environment, how much more we should be as witnesses. People are watching us. మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నామో వేరే వాళ్ళు చూస్తుంటారు. Weaker brother may be watching, weaker sister may be watching us. ఓ ఇలాంటివన్నీ చేయొచ్చా? ఓకే, నేను కూడా చేస్తాను. Prayer time లో first thing I'll open the phone because other person is doing. So sometimes we need to set an example for the sake of a weak brother or a weak sister.